Hey there, viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into how to remove an address from TransUnion in 2025. If you've recently moved or noticed an outdated address on your credit report, this guide is perfect for you. TransUnion is one of the major credit bureaus that tracks your financial history, and keeping your information accurate is key to maintaining a healthy credit score. First things first, why would you want to remove an address? It could be because you've relocated, there's an error in your report, or you're concerned about privacy. Whatever the reason, the process is straightforward but requires attention to detail. Start by visiting the TransUnion website or app. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one using your personal information. Make sure it's secure. Once logged in, navigate to the Credit Report section. Look for the Personal Information tab, where your addresses are listed. Identify the one you want to remove and select the option to dispute or edit it. You'll typically need to provide evidence, like a utility bill or lease agreement showing your current address. Submit your request through the online form, and TransUnion will review it within 30 days as per their policies. In 2025, TransUnion has streamlined this process with enhanced digital tools, so keep an eye out for email updates or notifications. If your dispute is approved, the address will be removed, but if it's denied, you might need to follow up with additional documentation or contact customer support. Remember, always double-check your credit report regularly to catch any inaccuracies early. This not only protects your identity but also ensures your financial profile is up to date. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit that bell icon. What's your biggest credit concern? Drop it in the comments below. See you in the next video.